This is Khalid Iqbal speaking from Dallas, Texas. The caption of today vlog is what type of jobs could be done by people coming from our part of the world with average qualifications.
For more this type of informative videos, subscribe the Khalid Iqbal YouTube channel by pressing the red color subscribe button and turn on notifications.
I believe I understand intermediate is a sort of average qualifications which could prove very useful in the United States of America. I believe with intermediate qualifications, to start with, there is a job of real estate agent. One can pass their local courses conducted by the relevant state authorities, and after passing successfully, one can indulge into this business. This business is very much flourishing, exactly the way it is very much charming and progressing in our part of the world. Same speed, same performance is being observed in the United States of America. There is a huge transaction in the properties. Immigrants are coming round the clock and they need property, they need shop, they need plaza, they need houses. Number one. Number two, one can become a therapist. Again, I believe intermediate qualifications enough to become a therapist. There is so much therapist needed in the hospital, in the clinic, in the private practices. But straightway, it is not allowed for the newcomer to do this type of a job as long as one does not pass this therapist course, which is of 6 month duration, which is of 1 year's durations. Likewise, there is a plumbing, which is in high demand. All constructions of plazas, building, property, houses need the involvement of a plumber. So plumber will work like an architect, like a planner. So if one knows the plumbing job, he could prove very successful. And the wages of this job is around about $100,000 yearly. Then there is a boom of construction in America. So construction has created a lot of vacancies. There's so many operators. There are so many machines, gadgets. So all those machines, all those gadgets need someone to operate them. As a result, people coming from our part of the world with bare minimum qualification, they can prove themselves very successful in operating those machines, in gadgets, in forklift operators, in cranes, blah, blah, blah. Again, there are so many airports working round the clock in America. People are coming all part of the world as immigrant, as a tourist, as a student, as a business persons. Companies connected with the airports, they need drivers who can commute those newly arrived passengers. Therefore, there is a high demand of drivers who have a good skill in driving. There are small vans, small mini trucks. So those people who have got a good stamina and they have aptitude for driving, they could prove themselves very successful. Some people, they don't like to operate Uber or limousine or taxi. For them, it's a good type of a job. Again, importantly, there is a obligation on every citizen, on every resident, that one must submit the tax return once in a year. So there are short courses to become a tax guy. If one has got intermediate qualification, one can pass that small course and become a tax guy. Every year, people have to submit their tax return, and those people can prove very useful, very successful. There are so many shops, there are so many offices one can observe in America which are doing this business, and this business is getting very good business, yearly basis, monthly basis. And then there are parlors, there are a massage parlor, there is a beauty parlor, there is a nail parlors. This is equally applicable on females. If people, they are interested, our female folk, if they want to do the business by themselves, it is a very good type of a business, but again, they have to do the local course. If they pass that course, then they are entitled to open the nail parlor, beauty parlor, massage parlor. Local people are very fond of getting massage, getting their nails manicured once in a while, or maybe once in a month. So those ladies who are fond of doing this type of a job in their home country, they can continue this type of a job. I hope I have given the short descriptions. But apart from that, there is a high demand of butchers, there is a high demand of sales associates, so many new companies, no vendors of Toyota, Honda, Nissans, BMW. They need the good people who have got this good spoken ability, and those whose accent is good. They are good in talking with the people, and they have a good accent. These dealers, they need young guys. And again, this job is very much popular, and but probably this job is not based on salary, it is on commission basis. A special training is given to all the individuals who are recruited, who are hired by these new vendors of transport companies, by these car companies. And if still more information is needed, that what type of a job could be done by a person of average qualifications from our part of the world, I could be approached. I can give more descriptions, more details. My telephone number, my email is being displayed. I will happily impart whatever information I have in this regard. Thank you.